Hey, what's up, Mr. YouTube? It's your favorite alien here with another stream. But today we're going to take a look at Xiaomi Yeelight RGB LED Smart Bulb, and I'll show you how it works with my Echo Plus from Amazon. We're going to start with an unboxing here, and what we see is an expected Xiaomi box, minimalist and simple. I feel like they kind of follow Apple's product line packaging or something similar. Here on the back of the box you can see some specs for whoever is interested. For me personally, all I need to know is that it's a E27 standard, which means it's compatible with our standard lighting system, and this should be actually enough for average users. With your permission, I'm going to go ahead and take it out from the box. The packaging is pretty dense and the bulb itself stays safe and steady inside. Usual Chinese paperwork that will go straight to the recycle can. You may need it actually for this QR code handy here for the assisting app though. And here's the bulb itself, wrapped in this soft white plastic bag. I like the futuristic design, looks clean and well built. You get Yeelight logo here and some specs. Let me see if I can get this closer for you. There you go. Now let's go to the dedicated app on your smartphone and see what it can do. As I mentioned before, use a QR code reader to get this app, and let's jump into it. I'll link it in the description of this video for you as well. And here's the first challenge I encountered. So to make the app find your light bulb, you need first to go and set a location to Hong Kong. Like so. It has listed US as well, but it's a no-no, kind of weird, but it is what it is. Don't forget to get the lamp installed and connected to a power source. Once you did that, go to main app page and hit on this plus button and select this icon right there where it says Yeelight color bulb, and make sure you follow these next easy steps. We need to connect to Wi-Fi network. Make sure it's not 5G. I had troubles with this as well. It's going to prompt you to your smartphone network settings. Hit on this new network created by the light bulb itself. It's easy to know which one is it as the name starts with Yeelink. Hit on it and go back to the app. When you see this percentage increasing, it means you did a great job and you're pretty smart and your IQ is pretty high. Bam! Now we have it linked. Right here you can pick a room name where you're planning to use your bulb, or you can create your own, and that's it. I forgot to mention, I went ahead and installed the bulb in this lamp in front of us so we can give it a try. Here it is, the main bulb menu. Looks easy and user friendly. On and off on the left side. Swipe down and up for light saturation. Swipe right and left for the warm and cold tones. And then if you go to the next menu selection, you get the color palette that starts with red. With an easy swipe, you can change it to any color, and I must say it's pretty accurate. You can also change saturation for any picked color, which is neat. And lastly, here you can set up a 15-minute timer for the bulb. I actually like Xiaomi/Yeelight software support program for their constant upgrades. Feels like they work constantly on their products, which makes you feel confident in the future of this brand. That's pretty good for them. And to link this bulb to your Echo Plus, you obviously need to open Alexa app on your smartphone, go to Skills, search for Yeelight and enable the skill. It will ask you to sign in to your Xiaomi credentials, and then you should be good. When you'll hit on done, it will recommend you automatically to discover devices. Hit on that and let's discover. Look what you got there below. Here you can change the brightness menu just to verify if everything works. And now we're ready to give it a shot.
Alexa, turn off light bulb.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on light bulb.
Okay.
Alexa, dim light bulb to 10%.
Okay.
Alexa, light bulb to red.
Okay.
Alexa, light bulb to blue.
Okay.
Alexa, light bulb to yellow.
Okay.
Alexa, light bulb to pink.
Okay.
Alexa, light bulb to red.
Okay.
Alexa, dim light bulb to 100%.
Okay.
Alexa, dim light bulb to 50%.
Okay.
Alexa, dim light bulb to 100%.
Okay.
Alexa, dim light bulb to 30%.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off light bulb.
Okay.
Alexa, dim light bulb to 1%.
Okay.
Alexa, put timer to light bulb to 5 minutes.
Light bulb timer. 5 minutes. Starting now.
Alexa, turn off light bulb.